What's going on, guys? We in Trinidad. Look, it's Rajiv again. Look at this e-24 Nissan. I'm going to show you how to flip up these seats. Look at this carbon fiber wrap. We bought this in Trinidad and we're going to enjoy this little nugget that we have here. Go ahead. So to flip up these seats is a quick little tip for those of you in America who don't have access to this vehicle. But if you do buy one, you just flip this lever here. And then you flip this other lever here. Woo! And then all of a sudden you just lift the seat up and the engine is right here. Look how simple this is. The fan is here, the coolant hose, the alternator, the little valve cover. What is this, a 4-cylinder?
Yeah.
What liter?
27, TD27.
2.7? Okay, it's a 2.7 liter diesel. Diesel.
Yeah, boss.
Turbo diesel?
Non-turbo.
Non-turbo. Stick shift. Look how fresh this is. This is Rajiv's whip. Look at them 24s. Woo. Damn, look how fresh.